Hi, I'm Cillian. Welcome to my art channel. In this video, I show you how to paint colorful peppers in oil color. Enjoy! Let's get started on our capsicum. We'll do a green one first. A shiny green bell pepper. And we'll use a mixture of phthalo green, sap green, some yellow to get the right color. And starting from the center and going upwards and outwards in like a heart shape, both on top and the bottom. And giving a little stem over there on top. And since peppers have sort of sections, each bump being its own somewhat cylindrical section joined together in the middle. So we put a center one and the two on the sides, and peppers are very shiny, so using some yellow we'll just give this pepper a little shine and a touch of white for the brightest part. And we'll continue on to a red pepper. This one is laying down, facing forward. And we'll use alizarin crimson and permanent red. The top of the pepper has a sort of flowery shape. If you cut a pepper crosswise, you can get pretty flowers. So we'll put in the center. And we'll make a kind of flower shapes to go around. And those bumps on top, they're really catching the light, so we'll give them all a good shine. I will add on more to the back of this pepper, just to give it some more fullness, some more body, and to really join that bottom half with those top bumps. So that they don't look separate from each other. Next we'll cut open an orange pepper. So we'll add some yellow to the red and give the inside a darker orange and the outside as well. And we'll leave the very middle area with white. That is the section for the seeds. And using yellow and white, we'll put a light edge, which is the side that was cut open, and that will give it the brightness. Since that is the place where the juices are coming out once you cut it, it's shinier and brighter. And the section where the seeds are is usually off-white, whitish, and we'll just dot over with a little bit of brown for those seeds. And we'll put in some more white, those foamy, spongy pieces that extend from the center all the way down the sides. And of course, the stem on top. Pepper stems are hook-shaped. Now let's get spicy and use a mixture of green and red to get a nice hot pepper with a little tiny stem. If you pickle those, they're really delicious. Don't be scared to try it. And next we'll make a mixed pepper with orange and green. We'll put orange on top. And green on the bottom. Well, this pepper is really much more orange than the one that was officially orange. But the spectrum of yellow to orange is really very confusing sometimes. If you look at one compared to the other, then it's easier to tell. Sometimes you see a yellow one and you think, well, that's orange, or an orange one and you think it's yellow. Their colors really vary a lot. So here we added that shiny bump. And then decided that it's not orange enough. We'll add more orange. And make the shine even shinier. Peppers add so much color and flavor to every kind of dish. And they're so much fun to look at. You go into the supermarket, you see piles of gorgeous colorful peppers, and they just say, grab me. So here's the back of a yellow pepper. We'll put those bumps. And we'll add some brown between them to give it a shadowy, deeper appearance. And the highlight will be shining off of them. And we'll connect it towards the upper part of the pepper, making those cylindrical kind of shapes.